Hello kids, remember we were playing with magnets and you see, and pieces of iron filing. Okay, today we will play a different game. Okay, let's see what we'll play today. I will show you two different kinds of phenomena, two different kinds of things happening, and your job is to figure out what's similar between them. They look very different and you have to find out what's similar between them. Okay, let's see. I remove these. I have these two pins of two of these paper clips, which I hope you can see. Okay, these two paper clips. Okay, and if I touch them, they don't attract each other. There's nothing happening. Okay, no attraction. Okay. Now I'll show a magic, and the magic is these two will start attracting like a magnet, as if they were magnets. Okay, and I will not even touch them. I will not make them touch anything, and still they will start behaving. Do you want to see how? Can you guess? Any ideas how I can make them behave like magnets without even touching them? I'll show you how. I have a magnet here. Okay, I take this magnet and put it like this, and now you see what happens. Oops. Okay, nothing. Okay, I'll show you like this. Can you see already happening? Let me do this. Okay, it's not happening. Why? Not strong enough. Okay, it didn't work, but probably it will work now. Yes, it works now. You see, now it works. Why is it working? Why? Now see, they don't behave like magnets again. Nothing is happening. Now let's see. I touch it, nothing happens. And now, and you see, now, just like a magnet. See? Nothing happens again. And now, perfectly. What is happening? Why this piece of iron is behaving as if it were a magnet? What has happened? What has happened? Some scientist long ago understood this. Okay, I will leave it for you to figure out what is happening. And I'll show you another thing. Okay, another experiment which might tell you what's happening. Okay, bye. You see, this is gone. Let's say bye to these clips. I put them aside and do the following. Okay, now what I have is a magnetic needle. You can see it's magnetic needle. Right now it's pointing north-south. Okay, there are no magnets very close by, and it points in some direction. Okay, once in a while I will tap it so that it's not sticking to its axis. Okay, this is the north-south direction. If I bring some magnet close to it, okay, I can, this is what happens. This is what is going to happen. Now what I will do is, I will keep this magnet here, and I have lots of bar magnets with me. Okay. By the way, I hope you know that this is also a magnet. This is not very strong, but it is a magnet. Okay. That is why it is pointing in north-south direction, because of Earth's magnetic field. I put it here. I hope it is in the range. Let me see. Yeah, you can see it. It's here. And I take lots of magnets with me, and I put them. I'll remove this. Put it aside, and all these magnets I randomly put in different, they will point all randomly in different directions, okay? Let us make it slightly more disoriented and let us see what happens now. Okay, let's see whether you can see it. Yes, you can see it. And here is my needle. This needle you can see. Okay, I bring it here. Okay, let us do this. Let us. Okay. Okay. So you have lots of magnets here. Many magnets. These are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is it? 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. Around 10 magnets. But this points in north-south direction. Okay. As if this was not here. Let me remove this. I will remove these magnets. And let's see whether it makes any difference to this needle. Yeah. It does make. But very little. Not much is happening. I'll put it here. Okay. Now nothing is happening. You see, I have removed this far away. It points in certain direction. Now when I bring it close, it still remains in the same direction. Nothing has happened. Okay. It is as if these magnets were not even here. Right? Nothing is happening to this. Now I take these magnets and do something. I align them. I make them all. I'll put a piece of paper over this so that we don't see what's happening here. And I take all these magnets and just put them in the same direction. So I'm bringing all the norths together. Okay, here. And these ones also. All the north poles, I am putting them together. Okay. And now let's see what it looks like. See? It's the same number of magnets, but now the needle is pointing towards it. Let's make it even stronger. Yes. Okay. And earlier it was pointing like this, as if this was not even here. Right? Now if I remove it, it makes a difference. Okay. It's the same number of magnets. Now there is a clue here for the first experiment. Can you try to find out a connection between this experiment where lots of magnets, when they are aligned together, they attract this one, and when they are moving, they are put in different directions, they behave as if they are not even there, as if there is no magnet. Okay, this experiment and the previous one where I showed you these two metal clips attracting each other, okay, though they are not magnetic, but they started attracting each other. Can you see a connection between these two? If you do, you would have solved one puzzle and you would have an understanding. Okay, I will maybe tell you in the next video what is happening, but I will be very happy if you can find the answer on your own. See you and bye bye till next time. Bye.